sweet and spicy pork glaze. You're going to need a half cup of sugar alternative brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of monk fruit, 1 heaping tablespoon of mustard, yellow mustard. I tried a 1/4 cup of Red's hard cider, but then added another 1/4 cup in. Put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to heat it up so it breaks down the sugar. Add about a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of sriracha or Tabasco, whatever your hot pepper flavoring you want. About a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add this in. It gives it a nice sweet and spicy glaze that goes so nice over the smoked pork that we made. It just kind of gave a little bit, you have that barbecue smoke flavor with bacon wrapped over our tenderloins. This kind of gave it a little heat with a little spice to it and a little bit of sweetness. By itself, it almost tastes like an oriental glaze, but once you put it over, oh wow, was that fabulous. So here I am just glazing it over the smoked bacon wrapped pork loins, which will be in another video. I hope you enjoy this glaze. I can even imagine putting this over chicken or another pork dish. Enjoy.